Christmas, it's Sorrel time, and we are gonna be drawing some sorrel, guys. Yes, so first we have in the big soup pot, we have some grated ginger, we have some crushed up pimento seeds, cloves, we've got some cinnamon powder, we've got a little bit of nutmeg and 2 bay leaves. So we're gonna bring this to the boil. Alright guys, so you can see everything's boiling up now, and this is where you can switch off the fire. Yes, and we are gonna add 2 bags of sorrel. 1, 2. I've made it with 3 bags before, but I think 2 bags is fine. And we just stir that around. So you can see all the gingers in there, guys, and everything. And I did actually grate some ginger also. That's just the bits that couldn't get to grater down to the end, and you'll see it's gonna start changing color, and that's that, guys. And then what we do, we are gonna cover this, and it's now 5 o'clock in the evening, and we're gonna leave this till 5 o'clock tomorrow evening and let that have a good seep. This is the part where you're drawing the sorrel. We are drawing the sorrel. Yes. We'll be back. Guys, it's another day, and I am going to strain off the sorrel. So here is our muslin bag. Okay. So we're just gonna put that over pot like this, and we're going to spoon out our sorrel. So this is what I do, guys. First I take out all sorrel and ginger that have been soaking. There, guys. Put that into the muslin cloth. So here we go, guys, sorrel all strained off, and now we will sweeten, and we're gonna put some brown sugar, cherry syrup, sweeten to your taste. One whole bottle of red label wine. Yep. And that's it, guys. Finito. Just sweeten to your taste and bottle it up. There you go, guys. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, just over 4.5 bottles of Sorrel from just 2 bags. Yup. And then bearing in mind, these are gallon bottles, guys. Yup. So go and get your Sorrel. Easy to make. And wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Yes. Merry Christmas, everyone.